Hi everyone, and welcome to the best web design team in San Diego. My name is Owen. I'm the president of a company called VideoSpot, and our website is thevideospot.net. We are an online marketing company. We have a strong emphasis on web design for your web design for your online marketing presence. Video is very important when it comes to web design and making sure that your videos and your content get found on the web. I want to talk to you a little bit about our design process because we provide you with every single aspect of the web design process that you need. That includes a designer. It includes a developer. We also include the graphic design. We have the copywriters, and we can even take care of some of the SEO and the optimization factors that you'll need if you want your website to rank on Google. Now, not everyone has to take advantage of those things, but if you're looking for a full package of a really high-end site, we can provide you that stuff. If you're looking for a starter site, we would love to take that journey with you as well, and we can even show you how to do some things yourself so that you can keep your costs down. But we focus a lot on websites for conversion, meaning they are generating leads for you, and those leads are being nurtured. You can see that even here on our site, we are advertising our video studio rental. And so we focus a lot on a process, and we have kind of a 5-step process that includes a web design plan, wireframing, and your workflow, which means how your visitors are converting, what page links to what page, and where do they put their name and email and that sort of thing. Content silo mapping. We have a couple different videos on content silos and why content silos are so important for SEO being found on Google search engines. And then we go into the theme installation before we finally deliver your website. So there's a very clear 5-point system that we use for creating websites, and I want to show you a little bit about what our workflow looks like. So once a customer gets started with us, what we actually do before we design the site is we get you on the phone on a conference call, or you can meet into our office where we have our whiteboards, and we will draw out exactly what you want to see happen with your website. After that meeting, we'll go into our program here and we'll start designing your website for you before we do anything. So we can kind of talk about what it looks on paper. So you can see that this one has sort of a banner, and there'll be a video here, a strong headline here, and a little bit about the system and how they work. And when you click on the Learn More button, you'll go to the main conversion page. Down here, we've created a place for some of the benefits and then some of the features on what you do, and then of course another call to action where they can click on that and go to that main page, and then of course a footer for some of the basic information about your site. But let's take a look at what the main page looks like. So the main page looks like your pretty standard website page, but on this particular site we didn't want to have a busy sidebar. We only wanted a place for leads to start converting. So we'll have a really cool image here, kind of like on the site I just showed you. They'll put their name, their email here, and then contact now. Over here we'll have a great looking image of a dealership website, and some content here for the search engines, and then from this point we'll move on to some of the SEO things, and you'll see that I can add some new components here. If I wanted to add another image in the sidebar, I can do that here and kind of play with it. What size do I want it to be? And once we get finished with this wireframe, what we would do is we would contact you, go through the wireframe with you, and make sure that you were really, really happy. And it's the services like this that really make VideoSpot the best web design team out in San Diego. We would love to work with you. If you'd like to give us a call, our number is on the top of this video. It's 760-208-1000, and we'd love to give you a quote. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.